Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to explore a new feature of LuBan. It is called Tumbler, and it is the Tumbler toy that you can find many examples on Google, such as this. The new feature will convert a 3D model to a tumbler toy and adding a spherical base at the bottom, so you can input any 3D model and it will do the conversion. Let's open LuBan software. And then we can open a 3D model. For instance, I have a cow model. Go to Mesh LuBan and then set the method to tumbler. And this is the tumbler that's generated. And of course, we can adjust the model size. The model size at the top specifies the original model size. And the measurement of tumbler size is the dimension of the entire model, including the object as well as the base. And it generates two disconnected objects. You can use object select to highlight each one. So this is the base, and that is the object. Okay, and we will exit from the select mode. Here I'm going to set the model size a bit bigger to 100. Okay, and then I can adjust the tumbler's base shape. By default, it is semi-cylinder. I can set it to hemisphere. And the base offset setting is to tell LuBan how high you want the base to cut across the original model. For now, it is 5, so it cuts across at the bottom 5 mm above 0. If I set it to 20, more legs will be cut. Okay, so this is the parameter that you can adjust the height. Next, diameter. Diameter is the diameter of the tumbler. And the tumbler, if I press explode, you will see that it is actually two parts. So this is a double-surfaced hemisphere. The diameter specifies the inner diameter. To make it a tumbler, I believe you have to put something heavy, very heavy, in this volume. Thickness is so default is 3. Thickness is the thickness of the tumbler, also the thickness of the base. If I set it to 10, you will see it increasing clearly. So this becomes 10. Lastly, the tolerance. Tolerance is the fitting between the object and the tumbler. You need to set it. You can read this information. You have to set it to a negative value, 0.2. Okay. To elaborate how it works, I set it to negative 3. So the gap between the two will be 6. 3 offset on the blue part and 3 offset on the red part, and you will see a very big gap. In practice, we just set it to negative 0.2. That works for me. Sometimes you want 0.3 if you want a loose fit. When you print the two, you can assemble them by just a press fit. You press the top part into the bottom part, and on the bottom volume, I recommend you put something heavy, so it can work as a tumbler. If it's not heavy enough, this whole thing is still gonna fall. That is all. I hope you like this function. Thank you very much.